Hello friends, welcome to C# Intermediate to Advanced tutorial. In this video, we are going to see how to set an icon for the executable file. In the past 3 videos, we talked about 2 projects. One is MathUser that will deliver exe, and another one is Simple Math, so that will produce a DLL output. Now let's change the exe icon for our MathUser project. So by default, Windows provides an icon for the executable files. All the exe will have this common icon. So in our Windows system, if there are multiple executable file and if they don't have a custom icon, they all share this same common icon which Windows provides. So that means we can change icon for exe. Okay, in this video we will change the icon for our MathUser executable. Let's go for the demo. So here is our exe project MathUser. We know that if we build this, it will deliver the output to G drive temp1. So our DL also get delivered to this same location. And if you see, this is the default exe icon, and you can see what is the icon for DLL also. So these two are default icon for our binary. This is for exe and this one is for DLL. So these two icons are from Windows systems. So if you go to some other folder and look at some other exe, they also share the same exe, unless if its icon is customized by the developer. So here, to change the icon, we have to click on the properties. So if you are in some other tab, go to application tab, then here is where you can change the icon. So under the resource, check this radio button icon, then you can browse through any of the ICO files. So I kept one ICO file under G drive temp2 folder. So this is the ICO file. Let me select it. Let me change the icon. So now it accepted it. That means I already used this once. So for demo purpose, when I am picking the same file, it is not allowing. So I just changed the name. But if you are setting the icon for the first time, it won't give any issue. You can set the icon file. So after this, I am saving the project. Now when I build this, we know that it will deliver the output to G temp1. So you can see the G drive temp1 folder will have a different icon now when I do a rebuild all. So I'm right clicking this MathUser, then I am choosing for rebuild. Okay, so now I am rebuilding the MathUser, and if you see, it delivered the exe to G temp1, and you can see the MathUser exe icon is now changed to the custom icon. You can see that here as well. Okay, everything is fine. Now we changed the icon. That's all in this short video. Thank you for watching. Bye.